Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to know who is still in the waiting room in your meetings of Zoom. So first open your Zoom desktop client and follow these steps. After that you will need to sign in to your Zoom account, and if you don't already have a Zoom account, just sign in with the Google account or Apple or Facebook accounts. After that, you will be redirected to the home page here. So now we need to join or host a meeting so we can see the participants. Basically, I already hosted a meeting and here there is no participants. So I'm going to join with another account. So I click on join here and just put the ID of the meeting, click on join, launch the meeting and join from your browser. Now I'm going to fill the meeting passcode, just click on join, and here I will be redirected to waiting room. So as you can see here you can see the waiting room. To appear or make appear in this participant list, you just need to click on participant here in the taskbar and click on it, and you will see all the participants of the meeting. And as you can see, I am now able to see who are in the waiting rooms. Basically, if there is no one in the waiting rooms, there won't be any waiting rooms here. So as you can see, when everyone is joining, the waiting room tab or section will disappear automatically. So basically, this is how you can see all the participants that are in the waiting room. And thank you for watching and goodbye.